Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel BTech PCM Bala. Today's lecture is going to be started real number class 10 mathematics important MCQs discussions. Question number 1. The number of decimal places after which the decimal expansions of the rational number 40 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 will terminate. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 1, option D 5. My dear students, if you can see this kind of numbers, right? Yes or no? I'm going to solve here. You can see, right? So 40 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 3. If the denominator is in the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, then it will be terminated like whatever the numerator will be, we don't care, right? Now we have to multiply it with denominator 5 because we need to equate 2 to the power 4. Here will be the 5 to the power 4. Here is the 3. We can multiply both 5. If we multiply it with denominator like 5, it would be 5 to the power 4. Now 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 means 10 to the power 4 means how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 0. It means after 4 decimal places, it will be terminated. The option would be 4. Where is the 4? Look, B. Then option B would be the correct. You have to shade it like this. My dear student, don't mistake. Now, question number 2. Euclid's division lemma states that if A and B are any two positive integers, then there exist unique integers Q and R such that option A equal to BQ plus R condition this, B number option condition this, C number option condition this, and D number condition this. Then what would be the correct option? You know, Euclid division's lemma A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. The value of B always greater than R, right? If the value of B equal to 3, then it will be like 0 less than or less than 3. Yes or no? This will be the condition. 0 less equal to R less than B. Then afterwards, it will be exist A equal to BQ plus R. When A equal to BQ plus R, when the value of R equal to 0, that time the value of B equal to the required SCF. SCF means highest common factor. Yes or no? SCF means highest common. Now the correct option is of, option C. Option C will be the correct. Now we have to shade it like this: A, B, C, D. These are the bubble like that. You will get it in final examinations like OMR sheet. You have to fill like this. Right. Now question number next. Question number 3. The smallest number by which under root 27 should be multiplied so as to get a rational number is under root 27. This is an irrational number, right? You know, under root 27, this is an irrational number. For the following number, smallest number, we have to multiply it with this and we will get it the rational. Rational means, right? So under root 27 is how much like that? Under root 27 we can write 3 square into 3. Yes or no? Again, square root cancel, it means like 3 under root 3. And the smallest number we have to multiply. We cannot multiply this number, we cannot multiply this number because both of the number the same thing. Right? We have to multiply it with 3. It becomes the irrational number again. Now let's check. We have to multiply 3 under root 3. Don't see, under root 3. Then it will become it will become like that. 3 root 3 into root 3, root 3 square. Since a into b equal to ab, or a into a equal to a square. Yes or no? Similarly, a square root cancel 3 under root 3 to the power half into 2, 3 into e to the m into n, right? 3 to the power 1. Ultimately, 3 3 is a 9. Now, 9 is the rational number because we can express 9 equal to 9 by 1, p by q, right? Now we can express the 9 p by q. So, the smallest number under root 3, if we multiply it with the under root 27, then it becomes the 9, and 9 is the rational number. And option C would be the correct option, right? You have to shade it like this. Now, the next question. Question number 4. The ACF of 135 and 225 is. This question is given in final 2022. Option A 30375, option B 945, option C 15, and option D 45. Right? If whatever the option would be the correct, then we have to shade it according to the option. Yes or no? Now let's understand. My dear student, right? The question is like 225 and 135, right? Since 225 is greater than 125, we need to express this number in Euclid division cell group equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than equal to r less than b. Right? Okay, let's continue. Now we can express in the form of this 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. So now this is A, this is B, right? This is Q, and this is R, right? A equal to BQ plus R form. Again, we need to compare B and R. Since the value of B is greater than R, it means 135 is greater than 90. So therefore, 135 equal to 90 plus, so 90 into 1 plus 45. 90 into 90, 1 is 90 plus 45 equal to 135. Yes or no? Again, we need to compare the value of B and the value of R, right? So since 90 is greater than 45, so my dear student, you can see, so 90 equal to, therefore 90 equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. 45 to the 90, and the remaining number would be the 0. A equal to BQ plus R. My dear student, already I have told A equal to BQ plus R when A equal to BQ plus R, when the value of R will be the 0, that time the value of B would be the required ACF. Now here the value of R would be the 0, now the value of B would be the required ACF. It means the ACF equal to 45, right? The answer would be the 45, my dear student. You can see where is the 45. Option D. Option D would be the correct. Now we have to shade it like this. Option D. Wow. Fantastic. Like this. Now, the question number 5. Which of the following is not an irrational number? Final 2020, right? So, my dear student, here is the number, right? A, B, C, D. Option is given 0.142857142857. This is not repeating, right? This is non-terminating but not repeating. Yes or no? That's why this is an irrational number. So this option not would be the correct. And here is the 22 by 7. If we divide this 3.1415 dot dot dot, it will be going, right? This is not also be the correct option. Here is a pi. Pi is an irrational, as you know. Here is the C here. Option D would be like under root 4 means 2 square by 11, square root cancel, 2 by 11. This is a rational number because this number we can express in the form of p by q. Now the correct option would be the D. You have to shade it like this, D. Question number 6. Which of the following is a non-terminating repeating decimal? So here is decimal expansions, two types, terminating and non-terminating. If the number x equal to p by q form, this is numerator, this is denominator. If the denominator would be the multiple of 10, then it would be the terminating. It means it should be in the form of like 2 to the power n 5 to the power m. And non-terminating, two types, repeating and non-repeating, right? If x equal to p by q, this is numerator denominator, this is a fraction. If the denominator in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m into k means the constant. Then it would be like non-terminating repeating number. Yes or no? And non-repeating means irrational number. This number cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, right? My dear, let's continue in the questions. Now here is in denominator, we have to look in denominator. Denominator 8 means 2 cube, and 2 cube would be like, again we have to multiply the 5 cube, then it would be the terminate. Yes or no? Multiple of 10, it becomes multiple of 10. Now 7 by 80, yes or no? Again 7 by 80, 80 means 8 into 10, right? Already again 8 means 2 cube, yes or no? Again 10 means 2 into 5, yes or no? 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 into 5. Again it would be become, 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m form. Then it would be like terminate. Again, option number D means 124 divided by 625. Again, we can write 625 means 25 square, and 25 we can write 5 square, again whole square, 5 to the power 2 to the 4. Again, it would becomes 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m form. Then this number would be the terminate. All the A, B, and D option would be the terminate. And now our option would be like D number would be the correction. This is the non-terminating repeating. Yes or no? Damn sure. Number, the factor would be like 5 and 2. Anything else, 5 and 2. What would be the power? We don't care. But we have to look that if the 5 and 2, the factor, damn sure this number will be terminating, right? Now our correct option is what? All the three option A, B, and D are terminating. Our question is the non-terminating repeating, and this would be like non-terminating repeating. And option C would be the correct. You have to shade it like this. Wow, you have to shade faster, eh? Otherwise you'll not get time more in the final examination, so you have to practice at home. Now question number 7 is, which one of the following is a rational number? A rational number, the number which we can express in the form of p by q. This is the rational number, right? And this is irrational root 2. This option is not correct. This is also an irrational number, right? And under root 5, under root c, this is also an irrational number. And the correct option would be the D. How the D? The option would be the D is correct. The option D would be the correct option. Let's explain. Root 3 divided by under root 27. Yes, one can write under root 27, 3 under root 3. Yes or no? And under root 3 is cancelled. 1 by 3 we can write. And this number we can express in 1 by 3. This is P and this is Q. We can express this number in the form of P by Q. That's why this is a rational number, right? Option D would be the correct. Thank you. Whatever I have done mistakes during my class, don't mind it, because I'm improving myself, I'm progressing myself, I'm trying to make new videos for you all, right? If I have stuck in a certain point, you have done the mistakes, then drop a comment and support me, guys. Like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel, BTech PCM. You are my strength. Thank you so much.